This video, I show you how to invest in oil stocks as complete beginners, which is a new strategy to make money investing with stocks this year 2021. How to do it? We're about to find out. This is how to invest in oil stocks for beginners. Oil prices have collapsed in 2020 following the outbreak of the coronavirus pandemic. Thus this year 2021, oil is a good investment and it could make us filthy rich. So I'll show you the easiest way that you can invest in oil just like I did. So make sure to watch all the way through to get the full analysis that will allow you to make the best decision on whether or not you want to invest in oil stocks. But if you do have some extra cash, now may be a great time to invest in oil. The platform that we are using for this strategy is Oil Max Capital, also known as OMC. I'll just link it at the description below the like button. So, who are these people? Well, OMC is a group of professional brokers who specialize on the trading of futures contracts on exchanges. In January 2020, an interesting situation developed in the world of oil market from their point of view. The essence of this situation was that the oil price dropped to negative values. In this regard, they decided to purchase a significant amount of oil of the brand Brent and WTI, which was done. Their decision was correct. They decided not to sell oil right away, but to hold it until prices recover. So now, they're inviting anyone to become their partner, make money on the sale of oil by investing even small funds, $10 in particular, and making a decent profit from investments in oil storage on tankers chartered by them. You can purchase an investment storage package for different amounts of oil, for a period of 2 months or more. So you just buy the package you are interested in, for the period that suits you best. And then, they record this payment in the system, and every day you can receive dividends from the invested amount. Now, how to get started with OMC? In order to start investing with OMC, you need to visit their official website, which I've linked at the description down below. Next, click this registration button, which will then take you to this page where you need to make a username, enter your email address, and create a password, and then click Create Account. After that, you will receive an email that looks something like this, and all you have to do is click Verify Email Address in order to confirm your email address. Next step is you need to select an investment package and its duration. The best thing about OMC is that they have a minimum deposit of only $10. As you can see, you can start investing with OMC for only $10 and up to $10,000. And you can choose the period that suits you best, starting from 2 months, 4 months and up to 6 months. And what I like about OMC is that they have a referral program. So every registered OMC user can use their referral link to invite partners and receive rewards from referral purchases. The level of the referral program is provided in accordance with the investment package. There are 3 types of levels: silver, gold and platinum. The silver level is provided when purchasing an investment package numbered 1 or 2 and gives you 5% profit from the purchase of your referral. The gold level is received by users who have invested in the category of packages with 3 or 4 levels of investment packages and gives you 7% profit from the purchase of your referral. You can get the platinum level when purchasing an investment package from level 5 and above. It gives you the opportunity to receive 10% of your referral's profit. After payment, which is carried out in Bitcoin, information on your package will be displayed in your personal account just like mine. And for the most important part, which is how to withdraw profit from your investment package, which is carried out in Bitcoin as well. You will need to go to the payouts section in your personal account where you can see your balance, and then enter your wallet address and the amount you want to withdraw. The best thing about OMC is that the minimum withdrawal is only $1. Next, just click Send and your withdrawal will be in process, which generally takes from 2 to 5 hours. As you can see right here, my withdrawal has just reflected on my Bitcoin wallet. Now, as I've promised, here's the special bonus for you, my viewers and subscribers. If you click the link below in order to get started with OMC, you can avail discounts up to 20% on selected investment packages until February 8, 2021. So I do recommend you try it out. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how to invest in oil stocks as complete beginners and make money investing with OMC this year 2021. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to drop a like and subscribe with notification on so you don't miss out on any of the new contents. As always, I will see you in some of the next videos.